Welcome to King English Podcast. Today, we'll learn the 3 types of tenses in English: present, past, and future.
Yes. Understanding these tenses helps you talk about anything. What you do, what you did, and what you will do. Let's begin with the present tense.
Present tense. The present tense talks about things happening now, or things that are always true.
Yes. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom.
I study English every day. I study English every day.
She works at a bank.
He plays football on weekends.
Let's use the present continuous. That means something is happening right now.
For example, I am listening to a podcast. I am listening to a podcast.
She is cooking dinner.
They are studying English.
I am learning right now.
Past tense. Now let's talk about the past tense, something that already happened.
Yes, we use the past tense for actions in the past. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. I watched a movie yesterday.
I went to school yesterday. I went to school yesterday.
She cooked dinner last night. She cooked dinner last night.
He played football last Sunday. He played football last Sunday.
Now let's talk about the future tense, things that will happen later.
Right. We often use will or going to.
I will go to school tomorrow.
I will go to school tomorrow.
She will visit her friend next week.
She will visit her friend next week.
They will travel to Japan.
They will travel to Japan.
He will study English tonight.
He will study English tonight.
Now let's try going to for plans. I am going to cook dinner.
I am going to cook dinner.
We are going to watch a movie.
We are going to watch a movie.
She is going to clean her room.
She is going to clean her room.
He is going to call his mom.
He is going to call his mom. Review.
Let's review. We have 3 types of tenses.
Present tense. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Past tense. I ate breakfast yesterday.
I ate breakfast yesterday.
Future tense. I will eat breakfast tomorrow.
I will eat breakfast tomorrow. Let's do more examples.
Present, I study English.
Past, I studied English yesterday.
Future, I will study English tomorrow.
Present, she works in a bank.
Past, she worked in a bank.
Future, she will work in a bank.
Present, they play football.
Past, they played football.
Future, they will play football.
Present, I go to the bathroom.
Past, I went to the bathroom.
Future, I will go to the bathroom.
Great job. You're learning fast.
Practice section. Repeat after us.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drank coffee yesterday. I drank coffee yesterday. I will drink coffee tomorrow. I will drink coffee tomorrow. Let's try another one. I study English. I study English. I studied English yesterday. I studied English yesterday. I will study English tomorrow. I will study English tomorrow. Now, one more set. I walk to school. I walk to school. I walked to school yesterday. I walked to school yesterday. I will walk to school tomorrow. I will walk to school tomorrow. Well done. You've learned how to use the 3 types of tenses in English.
Remember, present, now. Past, before now. Future, after now.
Keep listening and shadowing every day to make your English sound natural.
This is King English Podcast. Thank you for listening and see you next time.